Hey guys, what's going on? Been a while since I made a video. We're at the Toronto International Boat Show today, checking out all the 2020s to see what's going on. So I'm gonna check out some Sea-Doos and I'll get back to you on it. Alright guys, so we're looking at the Sea-Doo GTI 130 here. This year you can get it in a 130 or a 170. It's got the GTI hull. You can get the speaker system on this. I do like that they've gone with the blue on it. And it's just a good next step up from your Spark. You want to do a little bit more traveling than playing around. Great Sea-Doo. I'm going to leave all the specs for all these in the screen so you can pause it and look at them. Next we have here is the Sea-Doo Wake Pro 230 for 2020. I mean, just a beautiful looking machine. With this machine you get the Bluetooth speaker system. I mean, really cool looking lines to it. It comes with the holder for your wakeboard. It comes with the tow line attachment as well. That's included with it. You get 70 liters of fuel with this one. It has its own setting for ski and wakeboarding when you're programming it. So just an amazing machine. Now we're getting to my baby. This is the Sea-Doo GTX 230. This year they've gone and replaced the 155 with a new 170. So you can get it in the 170 or the 230. Still keeping it in the beautiful blue that I like. This is one of their new link bags for this year. Kind of a waterproof roll-up one. Pretty interesting. I wouldn't mind checking that one out. Pretty much the exact same as the 2019. Like I said, the real only change is they've bumped it up to a 170. Still have the lift storage underneath the handlebars here, which is amazing. Same dashboard, so nothing changed there. You still have the waterproof phone case inside, and you can add the USB charger to it. So just an absolutely fantastic machine for touring. I love mine. So yeah, not bad. Now we're checking out the Sea-Doo GTX 300 Limited. This is basically the same machine, only with more power. So it comes in the 230 or the 300. And with this, all the bells and whistles are included with it. So you get the Bluetooth speaker with it. That's included in the price. You get the foam knee guards for ergonomic included in it. I like they went with the gray this year, way better than that brown last 2 years. I don't know, just didn't look good. But then they've added this little splash of blue. Personally, I mean, you could put a little bit more blue on there, it'd be nice. But otherwise it's pretty good. I like that you can get it in the 230 now, just because the 300 I've heard from people just absolutely sucks gas. So, you know, now you get a little bit of an option. So nice luxury cruiser. So well done. Now we're getting into some of the fun here. This is just one of them. This is the 2020 RXP X300. I mean, that thing is just built for speed. It just looks amazing. Cool lines to it. Basically, it's got 60 liters. It's got a 1630 Ace engine in it. I mean, that thing is just meant to rip across the water. You can see that it has in the footwells kind of angled foot rests in there just to help you at speed, help you in the corners and stuff like that. So a cool little add-on there, which is included. And with this model, it has the adjustable handlebars. So if you want to be standing up when you're ripping it, you can do it. And just, I mean, fantastic color, fantastic lines. Now we're on to the 2020 Sea-Doo Fish Pro, new model this year somewhat with a new engine in it. It's got the 170 engine in it. It was a 155 last year. Otherwise, pretty much the same thing. No real major changes to this. I mean, they've changed. You can now get the cooler in gray and white. So, I mean, not a huge change there, but pretty good. Still has the extended platform on it, so you can add a second layer of link attachments to it. So they've got like that hard case one there. Not too bad. And the fishing rod attachments are always handy. The seat, again, is that flatter seat for fishing. I know you can get it in just like an all gray color now, because like, I mean, that green, I understand it, but not my favorite. Still comes with the Bluetooth speakers, and you get that Garmin fish finder that comes with it. I might put that on mine this year. And not to be missed, of course, my first Sea-Doo that I have ever had was the Sea-Doo Spark. I like the colors they got on this one, kind of that blueberry blue or something like that. This is like a 3-up model because it's got the extended platform on the back here. Just an absolutely fantastic, fun Sea-Doo. Get out there for under 10K. I mean, you'll just have a great time with it. And now, again, this year they've got the attachment for the speakers, so you can have some sound on it. I'm hit and miss on it. I mean, I think it's a bit clunky, but hey, you get music on the water, it's good times, right? So excellent Sea-Doo. And you know, to be fair, I checked out some other ones as well. So I checked out this Kawasaki. I mean, it's the Ultra 310. I mean, powerful machine, and has some good perks to it. It's like a 70, almost 80 liter tank in it. I mean, I'm not a fan of the lines, but I think Sea-Doo has better lines. But Kawasaki's got some really good features to it, and plus they got a really good engine in there. This one comes with a supercharger on it, so I mean, good times, right? So we've checked out all the Sea-Doos and Kawasaki's just to make it fair, you know. Talked to some really good people and got to see what the 2020s look like. So hope you enjoyed this little video breakdown of all the 2020s that I saw here for Sea-Doo and that one Kawasaki. Thanks to Craig for that one. And yeah, we'll just see how things go until the next video, which will probably be in the spring. I might do one sooner, who knows. So that's it from the 2020 Toronto International Boat Show. I didn't really film any boats because I really only care about Sea-Doos and jet skis and stuff, so sorry if you're looking for boats. Anyways, spring's almost here, so until then, be safe out there. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace!